Hi guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little nighttime vlog, night routine, just taking you guys along on a little evening in my life. It's around 5:30 right now. I just got home a little while ago from a nail appointment. I feel like it looks like I don't even have nail polish on, but I just went for this very nude neutral color and I kind of like it. It's simple, but I've just been getting S&S dip powder on my nails lately, if you're wondering, and my nails are super strong right now, which they literally never are. So I would definitely recommend getting S&S over gel because it just is so much better for your nails. But yeah, just got back from my nail appointment and I'm actually gonna get ready to go to the gym right now. I have not been good about going to the gym lately, but I'm forcing myself to go today because I need to. So I'm gonna take my makeup off and get into gym clothes. But before I take this lovely makeup off my face, I wanted to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Armani Beauty. I am wearing the Armani Luminous Silk Primer, Foundation, and Concealer right now. I've talked about these products before, but I've been using the Luminous Silk Foundation for years. I hate the feeling of like a heavy, cakey foundation. Like there's actually nothing worse. So if I want to go for that flawless foundation look, it needs to be something that feels lightweight and looks very natural, but just kind of evens everything out. The Luminous Silk Foundation does that. Armani Beauty's whole mantra is enhancing your natural beauty and giving you that like flawless complexion with a lit from within glow, which is everything that I want when I put makeup on. Right now, actually, if you purchase a Luminous Silk foundation on Sephora.com, you will earn 4 times the points on your Beauty Insider account, which is amazing because if you didn't already know, your Beauty Insider points at Sephora can be redeemed for cash now, which is so nice because I used to just let those points build up and I would just have like thousands of points and would never spend them. But now when I place an order on Sephora or shop in the store, I can use my built up points to actually get money off of my purchase, which is amazing. So if you've been wanting to get your hands on the Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Foundation, now is the time. Definitely take advantage of that. That offer is only going on until March 14th. There will be a link in the description to shop the foundation, and I wanted to just include a few clips of me applying the makeup so you can really see it in action. So like I said, I started off with the Luminous Silk Primer. This is a hydrating primer, which is really the only type of primer I ever use because my skin is on the dry side, especially right now. It's been a very dry winter. I feel like using a hydrating primer first helps prevent your foundation from getting cakey throughout the day, and it really helps prolong the wear of your foundation. It just gives you a really hydrated, smooth base for your makeup. And then I just went right in with the foundation. I love this foundation because it's super buildable. You can use a really small amount and just give like an everyday natural look. But if you really want that coverage, you can build it up. I'm in the shade 5.75. This is a little dark for me right now, but when I'm self-tanned, it matches perfectly. I love that the Luminous Silk Foundation comes in 40 shades, so there's something for everyone, which is really important. And something I love about this foundation is that you don't need to set it with powder, and it lasts all day. I did my makeup this morning, and it's after 5:30 p.m. now. I just love how my skin looks when I wear this. I feel like it doesn't look like I'm wearing foundation. Like it just looks like my skin is perfect, which it's not, I promise. And then I used the Luminous Silk Concealer as well, which this is a newer favorite of mine. I started using it like last year, and right away it became like my new favorite concealer. I've talked about this many times before. It looks super pretty on its own if you want to do like a really minimal makeup look with just concealer. It blends into your skin so seamlessly, but when you pair it with the foundation and the primer, it just is a match made in heaven. So I just used this under my eyes and in my like T-zone area to kind of highlight. I have the concealer in the shade 5. So yeah, those were like the base products of my makeup today, and then I just finished off bronzer, blush, brows, everything like that. And I love how this look turned out. I feel like it's super daytime appropriate, but I also, anytime I need like a nighttime look, this foundation is my go-to. It looks so good in pictures, by the way, with flash. Like, thank you again so much to Armani Beauty for sponsoring this video. Definitely go get your hands on the Luminous Silk Foundation on Sephora.com right now and get your points. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I'm gonna take my makeup off right now, sadly, because it looks so good, but it's time to take the day off and get into this night routine. go to the gym. I really don't feel like going to the gym right now, but I'm gonna force myself to. The one thing about working out is that like you're never gonna regret a workout afterwards. Like you're always gonna feel better about yourself after a workout than you did before. So as much as I don't want to go right now, I know it'll make me feel good. I'm gonna go, I'm gonna do 12, 3:30, and then I think I'm gonna do some like upper body stuff. So I'll try to film my workout a little bit, but let's go. Okay, I'm back in my apartment. I did 12, 3:30 at the gym, and I was gonna do some upper body exercises like I said, but the gym was like really crowded and I just got kind of freaked out because like COVID. So I'm back at my apartment and I'm just gonna do some at-home stuff with some like hand weights. So continuing my workout now. What are you guys doing? Oh my god. Is it crazy time? Hi, Len. Okay, I'm going to make dinner now and I'm making salmon. I saw this recipe on TikTok. I feel like I say I saw this thing on TikTok like 20 times a day. Literally everything I do or know is from TikTok. But I saw this recipe and it's just like making salmon in an air fryer, and she claims it's the best salmon recipe ever. You put like honey on it and soy sauce. So I'm gonna try it. I'll put the reference here. I'm gonna make some couscous on the side and some green beans and just air fry up some salmon. It looks really easy and quick. So if this is good, then you guys should make this because it's super easy. First, I'm just starting the couscous because this takes the longest. I'm just gonna lay some aluminum foil down on the air fryer basket because we have to like pour honey into here, so I don't want it to get everywhere. This is my air fryer, by the way. It's the Ninja one and it does like a bunch of stuff, including air frying. So I'm gonna get the salmon going. Salmon is cooking. I just realized you're supposed to add sesame seeds to this and I don't have sesame seeds. So I'm just gonna leave that part out. I'm sure it's better with the sesame seeds. But once the 6 minutes is up, I'm just gonna add honey to the salmon and cook it for 2 more minutes and then it'll be done. Okay, update. This is so good. That was my first time making salmon in my air fryer, and I'm doing this every time from now on because it took like 10 minutes and it's so good, and the honey like glaze is really, really nice. Definitely gonna buy sesame seeds the next time I'm at a grocery store because I do feel like that would make it even better. But this is such a good dinner, like great meal, healthy, easy, quick, delicious. Highly recommend. Time to go to the doggy park. Yay. Good job. We just got back from the dog park. Megan's so tired because she ran around so much. All her friends were there. Lennon's actually been sleeping a lot longer lately. I don't really know why. I haven't like changed anything. I do take her out to the dog park right before bed, and if there's other dogs there, she gets so much exercise in. But she usually like falls asleep around 9:30 or 10, and then she hasn't been waking up until I wake her up. So like she used to wake me up at like 7:30 in the morning because she would like cry and want out of her crate. But now, like last weekend, I literally slept until 9:30, and I didn't even realize it was that late because normally I would just get woken up by Lennon. But she just has been sleeping in really late, and it's so nice because I can like wake her up whenever I'm ready. I just took a shower and I have a face mask on right now. It's the Summer Fridays jet lag mask. Best hydrating mask ever. But I'm just kind of waiting to let my hair air dry a little bit more, and then I'm going to blow it out. I'm gonna show you guys how I blow dry my hair because I've gotten better at it. I have never been good at blowing out my hair. It never looks like how my hair looks when I leave the salon, but I've gotten the hang of it with like the dry bar round brush dryer. Just gonna leave this mask on for a few more minutes, and then I'll show you guys how I dry my hair. And the reason I'm blow drying it at night, even though I'm like gonna go to bed after this, is just because I washed my hair tonight, and if I blow it out tonight, then I can get away with like not really styling it at all for the next few days until I wash it again. That's one good thing about my hair, is it does like hold a style for several days, and I don't really have to like touch it up at all. So sometimes I just like to blow it out right after I wash my hair, and then I can have it like nice and smooth and blown out for a couple of days until I wash it again, and I'll just like dry shampoo it in between. The thing that I was struggling with the first few times that I used this was I could never get the ends to like flip in like they do when I get a blowout at the salon. But as I practice more, I've just realized that you really need to like hold it on the ends of your hair for a while. I would say like 15 to 20 seconds, and just kind of keep like rolling it inward a few times. And the longer you hold it, the more it's gonna kind of like curl inward. I think I've gotten it to where it looks pretty good. I feel like it's kind of self-explanatory, so you'll see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna spray my hair with some heat protectant. I feel like it's just easier to work in smaller sections, so I usually do like 5 sections, I would say. Pull up like this much of my hair. I usually go this way a few times to just make sure they're like fully dry, and then I flip it the other way and go inwards, and then I'll curl the ends like that and pull down and hold it for a little while to get like the shape that I want. So this is gonna be really loud, so I'm just gonna speed through this and put music over it, but I put it on the highest setting and you'll kind of see what I'm doing. First layer done, and before I take down the hair, I put what's already dry in a little ponytail so that I know what's done and what hasn't been done yet, and it just like keeps it separate. took me like 30 minutes, which is kind of a long time, but now I can like leave my hair styled like this for the next few days and not have to worry about it. That's the hairstyle I've been doing lately, and ever since I got layers cut into my hair, I feel like the blowout looks a lot better because it has more dimension. The last thing I'm going to do before I go to bed is just spray my face with this Isle of Paradise self-tanning water. This is the medium shade. I don't do this every night, but sometimes I like to just spritz my face with this because it gives you like the nicest natural looking tan, and it takes literally 2 seconds, and my face is always lighter than my body, so I feel like if I just kind of spray this all over my face and neck, it just makes me look more tan overall. Putting my headband back on because I do feel like when I get this spray in my hair, since my hair is light, it'll like turn my hair kind of orange. Comment down below if you guys use your sleep mode thing. I have mine automatically turn on at 9:45 because I'm usually in bed around that time, and it just makes your phone go on do not disturb for the whole night until your alarm goes off in the morning. My friends always get mad because I don't respond to any of their texts after 9:45, but it's really nice. I highly recommend using this little feature on your iPhone. It is past my bedtime though, so I'm going to end off this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little evening in my life. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That's all. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!